Hello everybody, this is the Fire Dragon, and this is the ending of the SnowStorm, and I knew it wouldn't end at 5 exactly, because look, it ended like at 5:20 something. So, there you go, it ended like 14 minutes ago, and like 13 or 10 minutes ago, whatever. Well, here it is, all it's gone. As you can see, the tree sort of tilted. And basically, here it is. It's still windy. There's barely any snow left, but here it is, guys. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I just wanted to show you guys the ending of this ruthless, beastly storm. Hope you guys enjoyed. And finally, do not forget to hit that subscribe button or smash it and join the